Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by fixing the essentials: posture, breath, and a simple hum. Stand with feet hip-width and soften your knees so your ribs can expand. Take a diaphragmatic inhale for a count of 3 and exhale for 4, keeping shoulders still. Once steady, do a gentle lip trill or hum for 30 to 60 seconds on a comfortable low note. This wakes up vocal fold vibration without strain. Make sure to keep the throat relaxed. You are starting the process, not forcing it. Once warmed, explore range with controlled sirens and short scales. You glide up and down slowly 5 times, listening for where tension or breaks appear. This maps your passaggio. Then sing comfortable scales in low, middle, and high regions, noting chest-dominant resonance versus head mix balance. Use clear vowels, ah, e, oo, to judge ease. If a note sticks, back off and find a lighter placement. Make sure to blend sensations gradually instead of flipping abruptly. This builds a reliable, usable singing voice. You finish by refining and testing what you found. Record 1 to 2 short phrases in the range you identified, then listen back for strain, pitch shifts, and tone quality. Adjust breath support, add a bit more low abdominal engagement for sustained notes, or reduce pressure for clearer high tones. Once done, repeat targeted exercises for weak spots. If you feel hoarseness or pain, stop and rest for 24 to 48 hours. Rest and hydration are the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.